Here it is, the brand new Pokemon set, Twilight Masquerade. This set is fresh off the press, for sale in Japan only. We had to break the law to bring you this video today. If that isn't worth subscribing for, I don't know what is. Now this set has been out for about a week in Japan currently, so I'm not quite sure what to expect as I haven't really looked at a card list. I haven't watched any other videos on this set. So this is going to be a fresh experience for both of us today. And there is no holos in that pack. That is the problem with Japanese sets. You're not guaranteed a holo or a reverse rare or a secret rare. The packs are so much more tougher to open when they're Japanese. There's some, oh, here we go. Here is our first holo there, so very nice. And as I said, it's very rare to actually pull a holo itself. It's not like the English sets where, you know, with English sets you're sort of just stacked with holo after holo. The Japanese, they make you work for your money. So not too bad, nothing too exciting in that pack itself. Now there's some really good secret rares that you can pull. Well, not secret rares, I should say full arts, which the artwork just goes absolutely crazy. So I'm hoping we can pull one.
Damn, son.
What was I saying? Here we go. Here is our first full art card. Look at that. As I was saying, these full arts on this set, they are really nice. So we will make sure to sleeve that one up. Onto the next pack. Have to bring out the scissors for this. Let's see what we have. So we have a sand castle, a duck chilling, I don't know what that is, and a dud in that pack as well. So we have a insect bug, a electric,
damn son,
and we have pulled another banger in this pack. And look at the detail on that card, just that pink, it really pops. So we will sleeve that one up and we end it with a poly wrap. On to the next one. So we've had two great pulls so far. Fumbled opening that up. So, and we get, oh, we have a reverse holo there. So we've got a bit of soup in a bowl followed by a sun. I forgot its name. That's the problem with Japanese ones. Because I'm more of just like an old school Gen 1 guy, I really struggle in knowing the names when I open these newer packs. So we have a fish, a monkey, a cotton candy. Oh,
damn son.
We've pulled another EX. So in this box, we might just have a goated box here because it's unheard of to get this many EX, well, just holos in a Japanese box. Onto our final two packs. So we will be opening half the box in this video, and I will be uploading another video midweek where we open the rest of the box. So make sure you subscribe to stay tuned on the second half of the box. Nothing too exciting in that pack. Onto the final one. Let's see what we get. Can we get some pack magic? I kind of miss having the energies. I kind of like trying to guess the energies every time we open the English set. And the final set, let's see what we have in this one. We've got some Gen 1 going on, some Gen 3, and no holo to end it off. So that is our first peek into Twilight Masquerade. These are our three main pulls in the first half of this box. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, where we'll be opening the second half of the box later this week.